when it comes to Shiba Inu, it's not always about price. Price is, yes, the thing that we're all here for. We want to see that move to the upside. And people need to understand that that's not always going to happen, right? But what we want to see is continued growth. We want to see great fundamentals. And with Shiba Inu, we've been seeing that for a very long period of time. In fact, since the bear market, we have had good fundamentals. We saw that with the strength of price. We saw that with the advancements of holders. And I'm pleased to announce that we have officially crossed 4 million Shiba Inu addresses. Now, this is addresses that have ever touched Shiba Inu, includes not zero addresses. So we're seeing that growth that continues to take place over time. And in fact, March alone, since March 1st, we have seen an increase of 200,000 addresses, almost an increase of 5% from the total amount of holders of Shiba Inu ever. So this is very exciting. Now, what is even more exciting, and I would say is an even bigger indicator of the positive momentum for Shiba Inu, is we are now at almost 1.4 million active holders. That is a big thing because I've covered Shiba Inu for going almost 2 years. All right, since July of 2022 is when I started doing content. I started talking about Shiba Inu very first day on the channel, and we were only at about 1.2 million Shiba Inu holders at that time. We've now progressed to about 1.4 million. And I want to remind people, remember, Shiba Inu is driven by retail, and these are times where really, frankly, there's not much retail adoption. You're not seeing these things typically happen, but yet we're doing just this. So what does that mean? That we're having such good fundamentals and such good growth at times where we typically don't see that? What do you think that indicates we're going to see as we get into actual better times during the bull market cycle, when the economy begins to improve, when you actually see that positivity around crypto begin to grow? That's the big question I want to pose for people. If we're doing this now when times aren't that good, I think that's a very positive sign for what we will do as we get into better times in the market. That's when you're going to see the prices take off. That's when you're going to see these exciting runs. Guys, what we're seeing now, frankly, is kind of boring. All right. I'll be the first to admit that. I hate consolidation. I hate sideways trading. It's fine. I understand it's a part of the game. It's opportunities to continue adding to our bags, and that's what I'm doing. But know that while we're doing that, Shiba Inu continues to grow. We continue to take steps forward, and those steps forward are what is going to help progress us as a community, progress us as a coin, and that's why Shiba Inu will continue to sustain throughout this market cycle. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.